Hey guys, welcome to another SEMA video, and we are here with our friends Bestop. And Bestop is out of Colorado. In fact, they're our neighbors in Louisville and we're out of Boulder. So we really like showing off their products because, well, we love Jeeps and we love going convertible. And they just unveiled a new Trektop, the Trektop Ultra. And I've got Cameron here to kind of walk me through and show me what this is. So you've had a Trektop, but this is a newer version of it, right? It's one that actually folds back. So why don't you show us how it works?
All right, sure. So first thing you want to do,
you got these cool half doors, right?
Yeah, they're pretty sweet. So the first thing you want to do is when you jump in here, you want to unlatch these latches here. Once you have that, you can kind of push it up. And what you want to do is try to get some leverage here. Push that back like that.
So now you've got basically a full convertible.
Exactly.
And can you drive around like this?
Seconds. Of course you can, yeah. So it doesn't catch any air or anything unless you're going maybe 120 in a Jeep, but
and that's really easy.
Unlikely.
So we just installed a sunrider on our JLU. We're putting up that video pretty soon, which is basically only this part, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's only a half.
Yeah, so now what you're doing is the whole thing, but does it go even farther?
Yeah, we'll show you guys.
Let's check it out, yeah.
First thing we want to do is come back and open this.
And I do love this kind of
the fast back.
Yeah, fast back look. It looks really good. It's a good look on a Wrangler.
Tap here. There. And then we'll go the other side and do the same thing. Let's make it easier on us. So basically, we're just unlatching a bunch of plastic from.
Yeah, they're like little rails, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you can see them right there. These little rails with Velcro on them.
And then here for the fastback look, we have a stiffener like that has a hook that attaches to a metal bar up here.
Yep.
So what I want to do, the easiest way for me to do it is put it above my head, pull it, just kind of until it's loose. That.
And then of course you can throw that in the back.
Yep.
Or you can throw it on the ground if you happen to be at SEMA.
We'll do the same thing over here.
Yeah. So while you're doing that, when will this be available?
Will this be available?
Yeah, you just unveiled it now, right?
Yeah, we're hoping sometime next summer.
Okay.
Or fall.
Okay.
We'll see.
So this is a really early sneak peek at this.
Oh yeah, exactly. Came out a lot easier on that side.
Yeah, for sure.
And then from here,
the
tailgate attaches to these clips here on both sides. The easiest way for me to do it, just yank it out, put this up so it gets the Velcro out the way. Slide it, just like that.
There you go.
Super smooth, super easy.
Yeah.
And then,
oh yeah, you gotta pull the back.
Down is locked.
Yeah.
So if we switch both these up, just like that, grab it from the middle. Boom, just like that.
Wow, and all of a sudden you've got a trail-ready Jeep.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In a matter of minutes.
So, you know, it's very similar to the soft top you can get for the new JL.
Right.
Except it's a little bit more sexy, I would say.
Exactly.
Because of the fastback, right?
Yeah, of course. That's what people seem to like. That's what we keep giving them.
Yeah, and then of course this material. Can you get different kinds of materials?
No, right now it just comes with our premium twill.
Yeah, I figured.
This right here, it's just in black.
And we actually had this on our JK, not this top, but this material, and it held up really well. I mean, we had it on there for 3 years.
Very reliable.
And there was no like fading to it. It was just, you know, really strong material. And who do you expect will be buying this? What's kind of your market for this?
Probably typically just the guys that like to get that open air in a matter of minutes.
Yeah.
You guys saw me, just me. It took me, what would you say, 5 minutes?
Yeah, not even.
Not even, right.
Probably 2 minutes actually.
So just something that likes something easy, battle.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and you know, there's the traditional soft top right there.
Yeah, exactly.
So you don't have that fast back look.
Right,
This can actually be put on any JL that is a hard top, right? You take the top off.
Yeah.
And then you install. How long does it take to install?
We'll install the hardware, the rails.
Yeah.
It'd probably take the average consumer probably 2 to 3 hours to get everything.
Yeah, but you can do it. It's kind of in your garage, yeah.
Right, yeah, you can do it in your garage. We have a nice sheet attached, goes through everything and what you guys need to do in order to get that on your Jeep.
Bill, thanks for showing it to us.
Yeah,
and guys,
of course.
there's another cool product that just got revealed at SEMA. We're trying to keep you up on the newest cars and the newest gear that you'll be hopefully looking at or perhaps using in the years to come. As always, this is Roman reporting from Las Vegas. See you guys next time. Ciao.